the last step of working on this PCB layout project is to generate and save the Gerber files and then upload them to a manufacturer's website for manufacturing. To do that, this is a very easy step. We'll just go and say file plot. We'll save all of these Gerber files into an output directory that we'll call Gerber_files. And for the most part, pretty much everything that is by default selected on is good enough, I believe. So just plot and generate real files as well. And how should we do it? Save, just plot and close. Let's verify that indeed Gerber files have all the Gerber files created, including the drill files and everything else. I think that is pretty good. In order to upload all of them to a manufacturer website, we'll have to zip this to a file, but we'll just call it Gerber_file. That's zip. Now for this project I decided to go and use JLCPCB, even though you could use any other manufacturer. So to do that, I'll just say order now, add Gerber file, and I will go my KiCad project self-robot, and I should have here the Gerber files open. I will just most likely leave everything as it is by default in terms of color and all the other things here for the PCB. That should be good enough. 1.6 millimeter PCB thickness, even though there are many options that you could select. Let's just keep everything as it is, and you see here that it's gonna cost me unbelievable price of $2 to make that, and shipping just a couple of days for $28.12. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll save and then wait for all of this code boards to arrive.